The increasing legalization of cannabis requires a new approach to public safety. From the roadways to the job site, we need to be able to detect the use of cannabis while upholding fairness and respect, meaning accuracy is more critical than ever. 1 in 3 employees report seeing use of cannabis in the workplace, and 53% of cannabis users admitted to driving within an hour of use. Legacy testing methods, such as blood, oral fluid, and urine samples, are falling short because they can return positive results for several hours, days, or even weeks after cannabis consumption. The Cannabix Marijuana Breath Test System provides a short detection window that best indicates recency of use within the past few hours. Featuring non-invasive breath sample collection, we use gold standard lab-based mass spectrometry confirmation to deliver efficient and accurate THC detection that reveals recent use.
This device is a game changer. It will change the paradigm that's currently used in the investigation of crashes.
Cannabix has partnered with Omega Laboratories to offer industry-leading forensic drug testing in accredited state-of-the-art laboratory facilities, delivering accurate, fast, and cost-effective analysis. Reach out today to discover how you can level up your organization with non-invasive, innovative cannabis testing solutions from Cannabix Technologies. Contact us today to learn more.